Well, here we go. Where'd you get that music from? Is that Troy Bonnie Muslim Gamer? Hey, he's a clown. Love the music.
It's always a boring day out here. Yo, bro. Okay, seriously. Who invites you over? Myself. That's dope. But for real, why?
Sorry, I
here?
burped.
Another argument.
It's just a soda.
Another one. Yep. Whatever. Well, things were getting boring. Bruh, every day is boring. I don't even know why I go to your house. I should go to, like, Liam's house or Rusty. No. Liam's place is so nasty. It's filled with pork. Wait, he has a lot of moms? No, that's not what I mean. Oh, sorry. What about Rusty? Bees. Okay. Bro. Okay, I get it. Well, I'm gonna go to the El Baño.
What's that?
Okay. Lincoln! Oh, no. Lincoln, I told you to be at my beauty pageant at 4 o'clock.
One
You're late.
beauty pageant.
I don't want to go to your beauty pageant. Why? Because it's literally you dressing up your stuffed animals the same clothes every week. I mean, you're not wrong. So I'm not going. Okay. Oh, I thought this was gonna end back.
That's gonna be more. Oh boy.
Okay, I'll go. Okay, let's go. Coming up next is the beauty Bella the doll, dressed us as a princess. Oh my god, I've never seen that before. Jeez, stop with your sarcasm or else I'm gonna put this dress on your body.
This is gonna get really crazy.
Okay, what's next? Oh,
when
that's it.
Boys dressed like girls.
Only for one. Only that's not even a stuffed animal. I don't care. I don't know why you had to
Really,
waste my
Lola?
time. I'm sorry. Yeah, it's okay. Just please. Okay. So let's review my experience again. So this part was a success. This could not make it well. This just caused an explosion.
What?
I did not know I did that. What's a Chucky Army?
Yeah, what's
Hey,
that?
what's up? Why are you disrespecting? Why should you just interrupted me? Sorry. Can I help? Can I help you for something? Help? Why do you need? Why do you want to help me?
I think you said
What are you
kelp.
even doing anyway? I'm studying my experience, right or wrong. Oh, this is easy. Okay, what's Area 51? Oh, wait, you went to
I think
Area
it's like
51.
Alien Place.
Leave me alone. Well, no, not actually, Oh my god, let's look at some memes.
What's that?
To meme or not to meme? That is the question. That is a disrespect to history right there. Lisa, get out of my room! Sorry, I just heard some laughing. Get out! Jesus.
Yikes.
What is the beautiful meme? I'm gonna take this to my friends. I wish something happened today. Yo! What do you want? Please, no jokes. Oh my god. Oh my god. What? Do you think I'm gonna tell you a joke? Yeah, that is the joke. I don't get it.
Yeah, I don't get
You
it.
guys don't get jokes. Why is your head bobbly? Because I want to be a boobly head. Okay. Feeling like a rock star.
Ew.
Dude, did you just poop your pants? Dude, I need to whop you up now.
Gross.
Okay, guys, pay attention. I saw that there's a spirit here. I don't.
I see a lot of toys.
Dude! What? I see hippo butt.
That's hilarious and
Hippo
gross.
butt. Ooh. Not gonna lie, he's kind of thick. Lenny, get out! Hippo butt. Put hashtag hippo butt in the comments. Don't break the fourth wall. Well, you're right. That hippo butt is kind of thick. Oh my god, the thickness of that hippo is the spirit. Oh my god!
One.
Can I eat it? No, you cannot eat the hippo butt. Plus, that's a toy. Who's that
Exactly.
Charizard? It's Charizard. Actually, I thought his name was Cheez-Its. His
It's not
name is...
Cheez-Its.
Wait, sorry. His name is Charizard.
I
Cheez-It.
think that
Charizard.
Charizard is from Pokemon, right?
Guys, you got it all wrong. His name is Cheezard. It's not
Cheez-It.
Guys, it's not Charizard. It's not Cheez-Its. I don't know where you get that from, and it's not Cheezard. It's Charizard. Are you okay?
Yeah, what's going on?
What's taking Clyde so long? Okay, I'm back from the bathroom. Bro, it's been 6 minutes. What happened? I clogged the toilet. What? Yes, I did. You better show me right now what you did. Oh, okay. Come on, follow me, Lincoln. Oh my god. See? I clogged the toilet. Clyde, you did not clog the toilet. You just put extra toilet paper in there. Oh. Jeez. Let's just flush this already. Wait, Lincoln.
Uh-oh.
Lincoln. Wait, Clyde?
Uh-oh.
Ow. Sorry. Oh my god. Dude, where's Clyde? I flushed him accidentally in the toilet. How did you accidentally flush him in the toilet? I wasn't looking, and he was closed there, and then I slammed, and then he fell into the toilet, and then I flushed him. Good job, dude. Savage,
What?
my savage little boy. Rock on, dude. She's suicidal. Oh my god. Wait,
What?
I thought I was suicidal. I meant, brutal.
What is even that mean?
Did she just disappear? Like, what? Wait, what the heck? Oh my god. Clyde, if you're hearing me in the sky, because you probably died, I am sorry. I hope you come back. And yeah.
Oh,
What the gods send me back in here? For what? To teach you a lesson. Let's see how it's like for you to get flushed. Wait, it was an accident! Oh, let me show you how it's like to get flushed. Wait, no, please, I'm sorry. Wait, what the heck is going? Hey, no! What the heck? Let me just... No, don't!
uh-oh. Oh, boy.
Huh? Wait. What the? Don't scare me!
Oh. Figures.
Nice out.
Really?